What's up, y'all? This is Sean again with another Stager and Media video. Today we're adding really something. This is going to be a relatively short video. I don't expect it to be too long because what I'm adding is really something you can really do plug and play, pop it in, and you're ready to go. I've looked around the internet and stuff like that, and I've seen these as a thing, as like a trend with G35, G37 type of owners, and I like them. I think this should have been done, like, from what I saw, this should have been done like direct from the factory. You know what I mean? And that's the Tailasturn, if you guys can check it. Yeah, there you go. So these little modules basically allow your lights, because the standard lights look like this, and the end result is supposed to look a little better. So yeah, let's I don't know, let's see what we can come up with. Let's plug it in. I'm kind of excited because it's kind of gonna give your car, at least the rear, again, with steady chasing that skyline look. And I think these are the ones that's gonna do it, outside of doing like customized tail lights, which are really dope, and I've seen that becoming a really big thing now in the G type community. These are like the more inexpensive way out. You know what I mean? Like, these are more simpler, plug and play, boom, you're ready to go. So I'm gonna take you through the little install process, and you guys let me know in the comments what you think about it. All right, let's go. All right, let's see. God damn, I got a lot of shit in this trunk. Please excuse the trunk. I'm always trying to like hold stuff in my trunk. Even after when I clean it, I still end up being like, yeah, I could still use this. Yeah, I could still use this. I don't know when I'm gonna ever use this, but shit is in my trunk anyway. Oh yeah, this is another video. If you know the size of it, anybody that really does this kind of stuff, they're gonna be like, oh, I know what that is. So if you know what that is, actually leave it in the comments. That's another video coming up real soon. Hence, the cabling is here as well for that video. So if you know what it is, leave a like in the comment. Leave a like on the video and comment what you think it is. Alright, so this is supposed to just pop right up. This little plastic, try to get the strap out the way. Alright, this just pops right out. Like, literally just pull it up and you're ready to go. If I can get this last one out. Jesus, come on. Alright, that being said, alright, now, alright, so this clip right here, this is the rear. Let me get this focused in. Alright, so this is the rear right here. All you gotta do is a simple little, got needle nose, and I'm damn about to break my nail. Come on. There we go. That pops right out. All right. Again, I'm trying to do this all with one hand, guys, so forgive me. Let me see if I can turn the camera. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see. Maybe I can like watch it right here so you guys can see. Hopefully, it won't like look upside down. All right. This is the light. It's on the up. On. I pray you guys can see it. Okay, that looked like it can be done. All right, so this is the one I just popped out from the tail light connector, the actual tail light module. The actual Tailasturn, you know, it has a heat sink, which, you know, in the manual, and also from what I've read on their site, you know, the heat sink, it has little mounting screws that you can put on, like if you want to mount them in, or you can just, you know, tuck them back into the little openings inside your tail lights. All right, so this also has a, I don't want to mess with that again. All right, so that came out a lot easier than mine. All right, so with that being said, you connect here. Let's see if it will let me do it. Yeah. Clip. This other one goes into here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, it just clips in here, and the remaining hangover modules are just going to be tucked right inside this little circle right here. Because the heat sink does apparently get, you know, obviously it's a heat sink, it dissipates heat, but you don't want it like on this carpet material. So you kind of want to tuck it back inside here along with everything else. See? Tucks right in. And that's in. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Very simple, same procedure. Open this up. Pops right out. Hopefully I could still be able to do this with one hand. Come on, you bastard. I ain't gonna lie, when I pulled out that plastic piece, it really messed up my thumb. Like, that shit really hurt. Let me see if I can get this in here. Come on. I hate when you're trying to get these plastic pieces off and they don't want to come out. Come out. Damn it. Alright. So, same process here, y'all. See if I can get it in there. It's a bit of a tight, like this area is just tight because that this bottom connector module is like clipped in to the metal on the car. But we're gonna make it work. See the last part? Let me kind of get that in focused. This last part. And there we go. And that's in. So we go ahead, we push all these pieces back here. It's a little opening right here on the bottom of your car. And that went in a lot smoother than the other one. Alright, Tailasturn. See if you guys can see that right there. Yep. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is how it's supposed to look. All, you know, both the little circular lights on your headlights are all supposed to turn on at the same time right now. So that's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what it looks like now. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked it. I kind of gave a comparison of, obviously you saw in the other shot, of what one side is connected and what the other side is connected, and it's definitely different. I think that should have been from the factory. That's such a missed opportunity for Infiniti Nissan to like not make that a thing. When again, it's making Diode Dynamics money, so I guess they're happy about that. But it seemed like such an obvious thing. Why would you have one single light? Unless that was like one of those kind of laws that you have to kind of do when you're making a car. You know, there's a lot of shit that these car makers have to kind of abide by when it comes to like federal laws. I'm only assuming. I'm just maybe talking out of my ass. But it just seems like such a missed opportunity. You know what I mean? I like it. I think it's cool. By the way, my headlights, I won't say they're changing. I am going to be taking off the tint, just because I want the whole light to be, like the whole tail light to be dark. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's going to be kind of dope, man. I got so much stuff coming in. Like, the channel's going to take a real big dive with parts and just everything. So within the next couple weeks to roughly a month, you're gonna see big changes. Big changes are coming, man, and I can't thank, you know, the hard work of obviously myself, and I'm not trying to big myself up, my family being behind me, stuff like that. This is outside of YouTube. Again, this is just a labor of love. I just like doing videos and recording stuff. I do stuff outside of YouTube. So you know, this is definitely a really cool thing that's gonna happen in the next couple, maybe a month or so, or maybe 2 months from now. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, please. If you see anything you like, if you want me to, I love your suggestions, by the way, too. Like, I love the fact that people have been like, you know, hey, maybe you should do this, maybe you should change that. Please let me know. If I like the suggestion, I'll go ahead and do it. You know what I mean? With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, like, comment. If you want to stay up to date with what I'm doing, every time I post a video, hit that subscribe button. By the way, also hit that bell. Might as well tap it. And yeah, this is a short, fun video, guys. I want you guys to be safe, be blessed, stay driven. 1.